Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are talking about subtracting all and subtracting zero. Chapter 1, Lesson 8. We are going to use an I can sentence. I can subtract all and subtract zero. For this lesson, you will need your Chapter 1 math packet. You will need your cubes for counting, and you will need a pencil to write with. Please pause the video and go get those supplies and then come right back to me. Pause the video. Okay, here we are. We are back. We are back. We are going to talk about subtracting all and subtracting zero. Please open your math packet up to page number 55. Page 55, it says subtract all and subtract zero. Explore and explain. I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm going to use my cubes to help me tell this story. But first thing, before I do that, I'm going to circle the number, the page number, so that you can see it very clearly. It says page 55 on the bottom. On the top, you have some dogs. It says, "Bubbles tickle my nose." And over here, it says, "I'm drenched." These illustrations tell me that it's going to be a story about dogs and maybe getting baths. So listen as I tell you the story. And you can follow along with your manipulatives. I'm not going to draw a picture, but it says, draw a picture and write a number sentence to solve the problem. Remember, we always read the story first, and then we do some underlining and circling. So I'm going to move this up so you can see it as well. It says, Mary helped wash dogs at the pet store. There were 7 dogs to be washed. Mary washed 7 of them. How many were left to be washed? How many left? That means how many still need to be washed? So we know that there were 7 dogs to be washed. Here's my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to place them on my paper. Okay, here's my 7 dogs waiting. They're waiting to be washed. There we go. So 7. And we want to know how, and she washed 7 of them. So she washed 7. So this one got a bath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them got a bath. So how many were left to be bathed? How many still needed a bath? 7 minus 7 equals 0. There were 0 dogs still needing a bath. Okay, please turn the page. Okay, see and show. Looks like this. All I did was flip the page over. It says you can subtract to find the difference. Remember, the difference is the answer for a subtraction problem. Find out how many frogs are left. Okay? There were 5 frogs on the lily pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can use your cubes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they start with 5, and all of them left. 5 left the lily pad. So there are 0 left on the lily pad. 0 frogs are left. Okay, now for this one, there are 5 frogs on the lily pad. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and none of them left. 0 left. So there are still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs on the lily pad. 5 frogs are left. Okay? If I have 13 frogs and 13 left, or 13 frogs jumped off the lily pad, there are 0 left. If I have 13 and 0 jumped off, there are 13 left. Do this next one with me. Oh, remember? The difference is on the opposite side, so you still just solve it like this. 7 minus 0 still equals 7. And 7 minus 7 equals 0. If I have 7, and I take 7, if I have 7, here's 5, 6, 7, and I take 7 away, I have 0. 6 minus 6, if I have 6, and I take 6 away, I have 0. If I have 6 and I don't take any away, I still have 6. So 6 minus 6 equals 6. 8 minus 0, I'm not taking any away, it still equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Okay, talk math. Talk math. I'm gonna circle this because I think this would be an excellent exit ticket. How do you know that 8 minus 8 equals 0 and 8 minus 0 equals 8? Good question. Okay, for your on your own, I would like you to complete pages. It says on my own, I just went to the straight next page. Helpful hint, when you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the same as that number. This is just some subtraction practice problems. You can count back. Remember, 0 is always the same number. You can use the number line. You can draw a picture. You can use your cubes. Use your cubes. And then you'll complete page number 57. Take a picture of it and put it on the seesaw. And on the back. This is a little different with the seesaw, the subtraction. Let's do the first one together. 13 bees buzz near a flower. None fly away. Another word for none is 0. Okay, how many are still near the flower? So my number sentence is 13 minus 0 equals 13 bees. Okay, so you'll complete on your own. You'll complete page number 57 and you'll complete number 58. Take a picture using the picture attachment. Turn it into me so I can see it. Remember, when you take your picture, hold it flat against the camera so I can, not too close, I want to be able to see it, but hold it straight. Okay? See you later today. Bye.